Hey folks, today I'm diving into something every digital marketer needs, SEO tools. But not just any tools, we're talking about SEO Studio Tools, right here in India. You see, SEO Studio Tools is all about making your life easier with a suite of free online tools. Yep, you heard right, free. Whether you're optimizing your YouTube videos, tweaking your website, or just need some quick text manipulation, they've got you covered. And the best part? It's all super user-friendly. Let's break it down. Imagine you're a small business owner in India with a tight budget. SEO Studio Tools can help boost your online visibility. From keyword research to backlink analysis, these tools are designed to level the playing field. You don't need to break the bank to compete with the big players. And for all you YouTube creators out there, listen up. SEO Studio Tools offers specific features like tag generators and video detail extractors. That means you can optimize your videos, grow your audience, and maybe even go viral, all without spending a dime. Now, some of you might be thinking, there are so many SEO tools out there, why choose this one? Well, SEO Studio Tools focuses on simplicity and accessibility. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a hassle-free way to optimize their online presence. So, if you're in India and need a reliable, free SEO tool, give SEO Studio Tools a shot. It's time to take your SEO game to the next level without emptying your wallet. Check them out at seostudio.tools. Happy optimizing. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tools. See you in the next one.